Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to place a structural column in Revit structure. Okay, I'm already placed the footings. You can see. So now you can place the columns. Without footing also you can place. I will show you. So, but as per the rules you can place. Okay, columns. As per the drawings you can place the columns. You can go to structural panel in ribbon bar. Go to structural column. The shortcut is CL. Okay, you can see add a vertical load bearing elements of the building model. Okay, columns. And after selecting column, here is option called two options in modify place structure column: vertical column and slanted column, and load families. Okay, you can load the vertical column also, and you can load the slanted column also. You can see the slanted column. Add the slanted column in a plan, elevation, section, or a view or 3D model as per the drawings you can add. So go to load families and go to structural column, then selected one you can select the any, you can go steel or you can go with the concrete also. So here is an option called square, rounded, and round column with the drop caps, rectangular column. I will go with the rectangular column, and after that you can just place it. You can see here, and again I will load one, two, three columns, load family, and with drop caps I will load the drop caps. I will place it here. Then one more column I will go with the circular. Okay, you can change the square. Okay, it's not an issue. You loaded a rectangular or but circular also important. You cannot change the rectangle column into circular. Okay, तो आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते रेक्टेंगुलर कॉलम को लोड करने के बाद आप स्ट्रक्चर कॉलम को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, आप कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं रेक्टेंगुलर कॉलम को, उसको स्क्वायर कॉलम में भी आप बदल सकते हैं। ठीक है, आप देख सकते हैं इधर मैंने कॉलम को लोड किया, 3D में आप देख सकते हैं, कैन सी इन 3D। टाइप SD for shaded view. Okay, can see how columns look like. So for using a visibility graphics again, visibility graphics settings, you can change the colors. Go to VV. I'm already one more time I have explained already. You can check the videos also. The columns. I will explain a little bit fast. One is because I'm already explained colors. Structure column. Then structural foundation. Solid fill. The color is nothing but which one? Right. Then structural columns, structural foundation. Okay, only for two. You can see structural details. You can see the colors. If you are not visible, go to consist color, shaded, anything is possible. Okay. So sometimes it is not visible properly in shaded colors. You can change it into consistent colors. Okay, or realistic. You can see here because it is easy to identify the columns, footings, everything. Okay. So now again go to level one. I will customize the columns. You can see, go to column in properties bar. I've just placed the properties bar here because you will get clearly identification, and go to edit type, then change the names like make duplicate. I will change it into 0.45, 0.45, just okay, then make it as 0.45, it will take automatically, then okay. You can see the column is changed. Okay. You can see if you check the column, just click the column and you can see the number of the options are available. Okay, rebars, covers, you can you can add also. So You can see rebar covers and top offset, top level is nothing but height of the column. You can see in east elevation. Go to east elevation first. You can see the top level of the column. So you can change the top level also. Top offset is nothing but the offset from the level 2. Now if I change it into make it as 1 meter, you can see it's automatically updated. Okay. If you make it as minus 1 meter downward, you can see you can easily customize the column. Okay, so make it as 0. You can see then it is nothing but, okay, it's a base offset. Base offset is a from here, so you can adjust the base. Select the column, base offset, just click 1 meter for reference purpose. Select the column. If you make it as minus 1, it will go downward. You can see. So this is another column. Okay, I'll show you in 3D. You can see it will go downward with footing. आप देख सकते हैं ये दूसरा कॉलम है, ठीक है, ये दूसरा कॉलम है, ये हमारा यूज़ करने का कॉलम है और 2-3 कॉलम है ना, इसलिए और दूसरा वाला भी शो कर रहा है 0। ओके, और आप 3D में भी देख सकते हैं, इसका भी कस्टमाइज हो चुका है, इसका भी कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं और इसका भी कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं। सेलेक्ट द कॉलम्स, then go to edit type and you can change the breadth. Round column, make it as duplicate 0.3, it as 0.5. You can see 0.5. Okay, go to level 1, you can copy the columns anywhere. Copy, select multiple, you can copy. So it's changed now, you can see. Go to 3D, you can see. If you want to change this column, select the column and make it duplicate first. Go to edit type, duplicate, then you can change it into 0.5, 0.5, apply. You can see the column width is changed now. If you change the width and breadth of the column without duplicating, it will change the entire columns. Okay, because the all properties will be same, so you have to duplicate first. Without the duplicate you cannot change. If you change it, the entire column will be changed. So tomorrow in next class I will explain the further details. Thank you guys, thank you for joining. Please subscribe my channel also. Thank you very much.